Bubblegum Beads. You ready? Bubblegum Beads Australia. So fresh, so you better get.
Hi guys, and welcome back to another tutorial with Bubblegum Beads Australia. So today we're going to show you how to quickly work with ball chain. This is a 1.5mm ball and a connector here. So this one's already connected as we sell the items already made together. But what we're going to do is show you how to work with them, because some may not know this. So what you've got here is your connector here, which joins the two parts of the necklace together. So all you need to do to undo it is to pop the ball out like so, and then you would thread your beads on, and then you would rejoin the necklace. And all you do to do that is pop the ball in to the connector like so, and then what I use is I generally put my nail there to stop it from coming out, and then with some gentle force you just pop the ball down like so. That's pretty simple. I'll see if I can do it quickly again. Okay, so take the end of the necklace, put it into the connector, and make sure you've got it in there, and then pull the necklace down in a downwards action so that it snaps into place like so. Okay, so that was pretty quick and simple. Hope that will help you when you're working with ball chain. Thanks guys, check in for our next tutorial. Bye bye.
Bubblegum Beads. You ready? Bubblegum Beads Australia. So fresh, so you better get familiar. So many colors, so many designs. Get it how you like, you can customize. Check out the site and visit online. Style like this is too hard to find. Bubblegum Beads Australia supplies.